Having trouble selecting items or scrolling in side-loaded apps on your Fire Stick? Don't worry, here's a quick fix. Here's the problem. You're using the directional button, but nothing is highlighting or scrolling in your app. That's because some apps aren't optimized for the Fire Stick remote. The solution? A virtual mouse. To install Mouse Toggle, follow these steps. Step 1. Open Downloader and enter 28907, then hit Go. Step 2. Go to Tools, select Mouse Toggle, download the right version for your Fire Stick, and install it. Step 3. Enable ADB Debugging in Settings. Then go to My Fire TV, select Developer Options, and turn it on. Now, open Mouse Toggle and allow USB debugging. To activate the mouse, press Play/Pause button twice. Use the directional button to move the pointer. Press the center button to select. Scroll down with the fast forward button and up with the menu button. And that's it. Now, you can navigate any app smoothly. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a scroll in the comments.